So hi guys, we are going to Mysore Palace. It's a daytime, so we have little lights, so it'll in the dark. I don't prefer to take videos in the dark places. So let's see how the roads are, and I'll have a tour of little roads of Mysore and something to eat there, and we'll see how it goes. Probably it's gonna rain, a little cloudy, so I'll cover up few places from here and reach there and take some few pictures of it. A tour of the road. Let's start from here. So we're gonna hit Mysore Palace from here now. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to my channel. So here we go. Nice, all empty place, amazing. So yeah, we have reached this place. A lot nice fort this side. And, nice road, amazing place. I like. There's no traffic at all. It's so different. Bangalore it's like different, and this is different. So I have really nice experience here. It's amazing place to visit. So yeah, this is. So yeah, finally we reached here. So let's get in. Oh, you can see a horse here. Amazing. Just take a look at this old tradition. Nice, amazing. So this is the entry of Mysore Palace. We'll park a bike somewhere and come. So yeah, they have a double bus. It's a Mysore tour bus, so they visit you here. Amazing, nice. So this is the entry. Nice artwork here. Nice things we have here. So let's explore inside and see what they have here, and let's try to find some eatable items here. But probably they don't have eatable things around. I couldn't find anything here. So probably let's see what we find to eat and what we get to buy something here. So we need to take tickets probably. So let's take the tickets and I'll catch you back till then. So it says it is 200 rupees per ticket. Here a nice temple here. Amazing temple. Something this side. Yeah. Amazing, nice. So they have lighting after 7, so probably we have half an hour left for beautiful lightings. So we'll wait and I'll show you the lightings. This is around to eat here, so probably I'm not finding anything, so sorry for that. And let's go find some animals here. Probably the guard over there, he told us like we have elephants over there. I don't know, I'm not able to find anywhere. So let's see there. We'll reach and find out what do they have here. Yo, I can see right over there they have elephants. Try to be close, but I don't think they allow us to go get closer to them. So here we go. They're really huge. So yeah, they have huge elephants. Amazing looking, very nice. So yeah, so we cannot go a little more further from here. I tried to speak to the person, but he is saying no, so we can just take pictures from videos from here. It's right next to the temple and palace right there. So this is a place we're gonna find food here and see what they have outside. So probably they don't have anything to eat, and it's not, I don't think it is hygienic. Probably we'll hit home and eat something from home. House food is amazing always. So let's see, we'll find to get some light shows around the palace. So I'll wait here for a few minutes more and see the lighting they have on the palace. So let's see. So more say 10 more minutes, it's gonna start. So by say sharp 7, right? So we're waiting. So this is the time. It's sharp 7 now. So you can see around. The lights are on, and this side is the entrance. So this is what we're waiting for. So this is the temple there, and this is the main place. Amazing. So I'll try to take you closer. We have public over here, so I'll try to take you inside. was lovely visiting the palace, Mysore Palace, and now I'm trying to find out something outside view. So hopefully we'll find something and wrap up after this. Cheers. Have a great day and good night. So let's go. See all the beautiful things you have here. It's a lake here, so there's some arch. So yeah, this is the outside view. Beautiful view of palace.
ಹೋಗಿ ಬಲಭಾಗದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರು ರಸ್ತೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಡಿ.
So yeah, we're gonna wrap up this and we'll come back tomorrow with a new video. So cheers, bye, take care.